Hey guys, and welcome to another video on the JRS Cars YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be seeing how to fix water that enters the boot. Let's get started now. Alright guys, so as you guys know, in Chennai during the monsoon, the weather goes from this nice bright sunshine to this cold rain every 5 minutes. While driving in the rain is amazing, it's nice only if the rain stays outside the vehicle and does not get inside the vehicle. So as you guys can see over here in my 2009 Honda City Automatic, we seem to be having the issue of water entering the boot. If you see deep down inside, you can just see a little bit of water inside. So I did do some deduction by myself and well, I thought let's leave it to the experts and just go to a mechanic and see what he says about it. Actually guys, before we do go to the mechanic, there are basically three important things to check yourself to find out if water is entering your boot. The first thing is the seal. This boot rubber seal tends to get brittle and become hard over age, and this does cause water to enter the boot. The next thing you want to be careful about is your tail lights. So if you have aftermarket lights on, or if you have met with a small accident like this which causes a slight shift in the position of the light, water can enter over here. And the third reason is your rear windshield. So basically we have a rubber seal over here, and over time this rubber seal can perish, and this can also cause water to enter the boot. So as you guys can see, there are basically three reasons why water can enter the boot. So let's go out to the mechanic and check out what reason causes water to enter the boot of my car. Alright guys, so now we are here at Mr. Purshothaman's kada. So we have a small boot leak over here. So Purshothaman, he is going to show us how to fix the boot leak. So
beading full remove பண்ணிட்டேன்.
சரிங்க.
உள்ள அவுட்லெட்ல வாட்டர் ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ணி
ஓகே.
லீக் நம்ம அரெஸ்ட் பண்ணி பாப்போம்.
Done. Gotcha. So we now have Purshothaman sitting inside the vehicle, and this, my friends, I think is the best way to find out where the leak is coming from. This is something which when you go to a proper authorized garage, they definitely won't do. They're going to charge you for at least 2 days keeping the car inside. But when you come to shops like this, they do the work instantly and get the job done for you, saving you time and money. Right guys, so Mr. Purshothaman over here has found out that this beading over here, though it's new, it's still leaking as it was not fixed properly. And it's a good thing I came over here, because this is something that definitely a normal shop will not show you. See there, right inside, yeah, we have some little bit of rust issues over there. So that's going to be fixed right now. What really is very shocking is that this boot beading was changed just 1 year ago at Honda, and it's really surprising that they didn't do a good install. Also, a water leak from the rear wheel arch is something not expected in something bearing the Honda logo. And as expected guys, we have it on this side as well. This black packing you see there, yep, that's what's causing the water leak. With that leak identified, let's now check if the rear light is also leaking water inside. And as expected, the impact of the rear has somehow dislodged the rear light, letting water inside. And after a bit of disassembly, it's quite clear that this is also another source of water entering the boot, thanks to the impact which has slightly distorted the metal over there. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have got the car back from the mechanic, and I'm filming this today because it's been raining for the past 2 days. And just yesterday when I got the car back, the skies have been totally clear and there has been absolutely no rain at all. So if you want to see what happens over here, I will definitely make an update video on whether the mechanic was able to fix the issue. So do follow me on Instagram at JRS Car Reviews and Facebook at JRS Cars. Do subscribe to JRS Cars on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.